Hi, I'm Sophie Giuliano, New York Times best-selling author, holistic plant-based nutritionist, and green living expert. Now, I am thrilled to be partnering with the Fairmont for a transformational wellness retreat that I really hope you can come to. The Mind Body Gorgeous retreat at Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise is going to be a retreat experience like no other. Join me April the 15th through the 18th at this location in Banff's National Park, which is actually a UNESCO heritage site. It's truly a bucket list location for everybody and the perfect location for a transformational retreat. Now, you may be thinking, Sophie, a wellness retreat in Canada in the spring, isn't it going to be cold? Well, yes, we will be cozying up in our sweaters and coats. But the reason why I chose this time of year is that spring up there is beautiful and pristine beyond words. It is the perfect location to echo the themes of renewal and transformation, which is very much a part of this retreat. I'm so honored to be bringing my signature Mind Body Gorgeous retreat to the Fairmont Chateau Lake Louise, and we're going to really integrate this unique location into every facet of the retreat, from walking meditations around the pristine lake to outdoor adventures to evening bonfires around the fire. It is the perfect setting for everything that I want to bring you for a truly transformational head-to-toe experience, while, I may add, you indulge in some beautiful 4-star pampering. This is going to be an intimate retreat with less than 15 women, because I want to be able to personally focus on you, and I want you to be able to bond with this small group of like-minded women. So from yoga, seminars, candid conversations, meditations, and beautiful silent walks, this is going to be a retreat experience that you cannot get at home. There's so much more to learn about this retreat, so I encourage you to go to sophiegiuliano.com/MBG or click on the link in the description to this video, and be sure to reserve your spot soon because they're going very quickly.